Hey, let's build a progress bar in Notion. First, create a new database by typing /database. Click Settings in the top right of your database, go to More Settings, find Sub-items and turn it on. Select the Parent and Sub-items filter option. Now that the structure is ready, we are going to add 5 properties to this database. A select property, a button, a rollup, a formula property, and another formula. Alright, let's configure each one. First, click on the select property, choose edit property, and add an option called done. Rename the property to status. Second, click on the button property and rename it to finished. Go to edit automation and start by changing the button label to a simple check mark so your button looks cleaner. Then, click new action, edit property, status, and set it to done. Save your changes. Third, go to your rollup property and rename it to parent statuses. Set relation to parent item and property to formula. Next, rename your first formula to all statuses. Click into any cell in that column and paste the first formula from the description. Finally, rename your second formula property to progress bar. Then go to edit property, change the number format to % and the decimal places to 2. Make sure to show it as a bar. Paste the second formula from the description. At this point, your progress system is ready. Create a new list view and in that view, display these properties in this exact order: status, progress bar, and finished. Now, when you check off finished tasks, each parent item's progress updates automatically as its subtasks are completed. And that's it. You now have a clear Notion setup to track your projects and your tasks. See you next week for more Notion tips.